Money raw, yeah, I'm looking at the bank, say miss, I do not want to jail, yeah, nuts with my gang, you be just a stain, cover on my chain.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are having a great day as usual. So for this video, guys, I'm going to be reacting to a scene from Godzilla King of the Monsters, and that scene that I'm reacting to is Rodan versus the fighter jets. So let's jump right into the clip. We'll have a little discussion after. Let's go.
That means it's coming for food, a fight, or something more intimate.
What do you suggest?
All fighters, weapons free.
Yeah, let's go. Oh. Doesn't that just make Rodan stronger though? Let me know in the comment section. Don't explosives make him stronger?
Oh, I think we got his attention.
Everyone strap in. All ships, follow our lead.
Oh, that's a sick jet. Let me know if that jet exists in the comment section. That shit might be real. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Holy shit. That wouldn't happen. His arm would like rip off or dislocate. Oh my God.
Argo to Gold Squadron. Let's lure this turkey away from the mainland straight to Monster Zero. ETA in 2 minutes.
Gold Squadron, engage on our 6.
Copy. Start the clock.
This is what I'm talking about. This is why this movie was really good. Like the monster battles, amazingly done. Oh.
Bogey, 9 o'clock high.
Oh man.
Duster 223, get out of there. He's on your tail. Get out of there.
Oh. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
0 seconds.
Holy smoke.
Bogey coming up on your 6.
Oh. Yo, is Rodan smart? It seems like it's operating on some sort of intelligence or something. Like, it has to be smart. There's no way it's just some mindless beast.
Squadron, ETA to Monster Zero.
Let me know in the comment section. Holy sh... La Ghidorah? Oh!
10 seconds.
There's no way you're outflying that. Oh! 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 Damn! That's like a supersonic jet. That's sick!
Jesus, they're killing each other.
Mayday, this is Raptor 1 to Argo. Argo, do you read?
Copy Raptor 1, what's your status?
We're screwed.
Damn, that raptor made it?
We're gonna need immediate mid-air retrieval.
Lock onto their position and prepare the hangar for an emergency landing.
Yo, that was an intense
Manual override?
They're stuck.
intense scene. Wow.
Which way to the hangar?
Alright guys, great stuff. Holy smokes, what a great scene. Intense scene. And I feel like this movie's super controversial. A lot of people love it and a lot of people hate it. I'm just gonna give you guys a few points as to why I think people are both positioned where they are. I feel like people love it because they actually got the monsters right for the first time ever in the Godzilla franchise. They got Godzilla right, which is a bonus, but they got the rest of the Godzilla universe monsters right as well. Rodan, Ghidorah, Mothra. It's unbelievable that they were able to bring these characters to the big screen and actually pull it off. I feel like people hate the movie because of the mom, Viga Farmiga. She went too crazy. She went too nihilistic, I feel like hating all of humanity because her kid died and putting all of humanity at risk when she's smart enough to be a scientist. So my thing moving forward for King Kong vs. Godzilla is take away all the human storylines and just make it about the monsters. Just make it an all-out war between Godzilla and King Kong. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section. I'll try and get to it ASAP. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video because it helps the channel and the video grow a lot, guys. But I'm going to wrap it up. So take care of yourself. Stay safe because it is a crazy world and there are a lot of crazy people. But most importantly, guys, peace.